Hi. I am building a website where I will be connecting mentors to mentees and parents who wants to send their child abroad for studies to the mentors who's been in that journey from moving to a different country, filling out application forms, and then figuring out jobs. So this is the platform. This is the landing page of Mentto. We have everything that the user might need to understand what is Mentto and how it works. We in the footer we have all the privacy and terms of service documents. So if I click on the privacy policy, I will get redirect to the privacy policy document that we have on our website. Here we have specifically mentioned the permissions and the info that we use and store in our platform, uh, with all the contacts info that we have, and similarly we have the similar document for terms of services, where we specifically mentions how we will be using the Google sign-in and the calendar access that we are asking the user to give us. So we can show the calendar, the time slots for the mentee, so they can schedule a call with the mentor, and similarly vice for the mentors as well, they can see the empty slots of the mentee and then they can schedule the call with the mentee to give them a sessions, how they can go about the studies, what is the application process, and so on. And we specifically mentions what access that we ask the user to give us. Okay, and here's the document, other documentation or other details that we have. Similarly, we have the contact information also available. So I'll just quickly go in and sign in to show how the Google Calendar sync in works. So this is the platform, or this is the dashboard that the mentee or mentors or parents will land on. There will be a sync feature in the profile section of each of the user, be it mentee, mentor, and parents. So they can click on the sync button. They will get redirected to the Google OAuth screen. Here in the browser URL, you can clearly see the client ID as well. And once the user selects the account, they will get redirected to the permissions page. Here we clearly shown the access that we would require from the user to give us. Once the user clicks on continue, they will get redirect to the platform. Yeah. So once we have the access to the platform, the feature that we give to the user, be it mentee or mentor, we give them a scheduling call option. So once a mentee clicks on the mentor profile, they will see this model, and they can choose the duration of the Google Calendar meeting that they want to schedule with the mentor. So for example, let's say I want to schedule a 30-minute call, and 30-minute call, and let's say I select 23rd October. So here I will, in the backend, we are fetching the empty slots of that particular day for the of the mentor. So the mentee can select the time slot and then schedule a call with the mentor. So here we, for this particular section, we are using the calendar event API to get the empty slots of the mentor. Once they select the time slot, they can proceed to pay the session fee that the mentor is charging on the platform. So let's say for this particular mentor, they have listed their session fee is 1 rupees. So user can click on it and then pay. Once the payment is done from the mentor side, we will be redirecting them back to the calls tab, where they can see all their created calls. Here it will load all the calls that the mentee has scheduled with the mentor or other users. They can also come to the profile, and then remove the access from the platform. So once they click on remove access, their token that we have stored in our database will be deleted from the database. So we will no longer have the ability to let the user schedule the call from the platform itself. So once I click on it, there will be no token, or the token will get deleted from the database. Yeah, so this is how we take the token from the user, store it in our database, and use that particular token to schedule calls with the mentors. So yeah, here it is. This is the overall platform, and this is the features that we will provide once we have the verification done. Thanks.